Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what really is happening, and where I could personally see the price going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of ladies as of June 29th, 2023, you guys can see we still have about 7 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 47721. We are down about 6% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 7% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it's currently sitting at $42.5 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $4.6 million. So let's look at the chart, see what really is happening with the price of ladies. So of course, their Twitter, there's no announcement as of now, but if we're looking at the holder count, yes, it is down a little bit, but one thing I want you guys to focus on is the fact that, we have seen this holder count remain above that 15,000 mark. We are seeing a little bit of a retracement in the holder count, of course, because the price has retraced a little bit. But there's going to come a time, look at Pepe, for instance. Pepe, once they crossed that 100,000, 60, 70,000, going up to the 100,000 mark in holders, we tend to see projects like that. Even when the price is going down, we tend to see the holder count increasing. So we will see that happen once we do see ladies break out towards all-time highs. But right now, this is not anything to be panicking about, because of course, we've been holding really strong around this range for quite some time. But you guys know what time it is now. It is time for the price. We're going to be talking about the price, see what is happening and where I could see the price going in the immediate short term. All right, so if we're looking at the market cap right now, 42.4 million as mentioned earlier, but now let's look at the bigger picture as to see what is happening for the price of ladies. So you can see this for yourself. We're seeing the price of ladies pretty much consolidate within this range for quite some time, which is above that $40 million market cap. And that $40 million market cap support is really strong. We've retested that support line. You guys can see this for yourself a few times now. There's been 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, about like 6 times we've been retesting it since our initial breakout. But now comes the question, are we about to see us break out towards the upside, or could we potentially see more lower prices? So right now, guys, this is a very urgent update that you do want to be focusing on. We do have support, like I said, around this range, which is 4649 cents mark, which is a $40 million market cap. Right now we're sitting at 40.3 million, seeing a little bit of a bounce happening within the price, but we've pretty much consolidated around here. One thing I can point out to you guys right now that you do want to be focusing on as well is that the buying pressure is a little lower, and that is to be expected. We are seeing a lot of altcoins. Now you're going to come out and say, oh, ladies is the only project that is down right now. What exactly is going on? Let's settle down a bit. Let me show you something. So if we're going across the market right now, yes, there is some altcoins that are up tremendously, but if we're looking at a lot of majority of the market, it's still down over the last 24 hours. You can see this for yourself. Not every single coin is up right now, and this is no secret at this point. I'm sure everyone can see that right now. So the reason as to why this is the case is because we do have Bitcoin dominance hitting a new yearly high once again. Yes, you've heard that right, 52.13%. And now comes the question, are we about to see this dominance just continue to increase? Like, what exactly is going on? It goes back to what I've said to you guys over the past 3 weeks now, that Bitcoin has way more momentum. It had the bigger momentum already, but it has gotten even bigger after BlackRock and Fidelity has come on board, and they are trying to get an ETF approved by the SEC. That is causing massive buying pressure, not only that, and hype coming into Bitcoin, which is going to cause the dominance to continue to increase, which we're seeing happening right now. And on the other hand, we're seeing Bitcoin also seeing some volatility over the past few days. This is whale manipulation, as I've shared with you guys in the past, because we're seeing longs and shorts getting liquidated left and right. So that's what's happening with BTC. And remember, when this happens and dominance is this high, guess what's going to happen to the price of altcoins? They are going to go down. And as mentioned to you guys yesterday, ladies is a low cap coin, so you do expect 10 to even 15% moves are normal. It's normal wicks. Those are normalized because smaller cap gems. Sorry, like again, not basically what I'm trying to say is, let me put it into short words. Let's go back on the main page. So you're seeing a lot of these projects, some are down 2%, 3%. We're seeing Ladies down 6%. Remember, these are larger cap altcoins. The Ladies is only a $40 million market cap. These are close to $1 billion market cap projects. So, they don't fluctuate as much compared to smaller caps. But at the same time, going back to what I said to you guys, you are, willing to take more risk if you're investing into small cap coins, because it's a higher risk, higher reward. Because when markets really coil back up towards the upside, small cap coins tend to go up way faster than these big cap coins. So that's the beauty of small cap gems, if you especially get in earlier. But I'm really liking what I'm seeing here. I think the momentum is still there right now, but we do need to see the price of Bitcoin really, really closely. We want to hope that Bitcoin does break into a new yearly high. That is going to trigger us to retest that level of resistance. And speaking about that level of resistance, that's where all my eyes are on. I want the price. If you were to ask me where I want the price to be at, I want the price to be above this white line, which is at the 6.19 cents mark. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is still a move of about roughly 25%. And remember, you might be looking at that and saying, oh, that's a massive move. But going back to what I've said, we're seeing 10, 15% moves left and right. This is what I'm trying to teach you guys. Look at it from just to the 27th of June. We saw, a move of about 15%. And that was a little bit of a spike in Bitcoin's price. So that really shows that these type of moves are very normal for small cap coins. But main target I'm aiming for is this level of resistance. And if we crack past that, then I think we are about to start seeing some excitement come in once again, and we could see hit new. Obviously the month is going to be ending after tomorrow. The month of June flew by, but it was a very exciting month. But I think the month of July will be even bigger. So fingers crossed, of course, as always. Hopefully we don't hear any negative news that can affect the crypto space, but I'm aiming that the month of July is going to be where we do set ourselves a new high. And obviously the target remains the same, 8101 cents mark. But that is it for today's update. I do have my eyes up very close tied on Bitcoin right now, because at the where Bitcoin is currently sitting at, we do not want to see another shake off happening. Obviously manipulation occurring, causing the longs to get liquidated. Whales could pull that, because we've been seeing this pattern. If you can see this forming on the daily, even if I show it to you on the hourly time frame, the pattern is still visible, and you can see this for yourself. We're seeing long shorts getting liquidated, and this pattern is playing out. So could we see something like this forming once again, where we see Bitcoin retest 30,000? Let's hope not, because dominance is sky high right now. And if Bitcoin were to drop once again to yesterday's levels, which was $30,000, that could put us below this level of support, below $40 million for the price of Lady. So that is one thing you guys want to be watching very, very carefully. But that is it for today's update. Of course, we'll look at the analysis tomorrow as well. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.